there are so many things that the country faced at that time.
माइक
Like,
थोड़ा ऊपर रखो बेटा, ऊपर रखो, शोल्डर अप, हाँ
at that time, country faces so many like corruption.
आप पकड़ लो माइक, मुंह की तरफ ले जाओ उसके, हाँ चलिए छोड़ दीजिए आप हाथ, हाँ
At that time, the country faces at the time the country faced the corruption and many things. At that time the country deal with the crisis like economic crisis, political crisis, and the civil rights. At the time of 1975, India faced the civil rights, and also at that time India faces the civil rights because
When you think that the petrol price
Speak,
was
speak,
just
speak.
60, but now it's 100. What would you like to say on that?
no, at that time, if we talk about 2014, and now, if you are talking about India became the third largest economy in the world, and now India became let me speak. Hold your horses. Let me speak. The things that we said that India is becoming India at that time in the phase of transforming from the developing to the developed country. We have signed a treaty like NPCI from the ROK, yani Republic of Korea, South Korea, like for the digitalization and the digitalization and MNCs. Now that when the country FDI increases, then the economy of the country also increases. So if we go to the in the sector of health, the party introduced many schemes like Poshan 2.0, midday meal, Manrega, but now it is on the phase of at that time it was not fully implemented. Now it is with the Poshan 2.0 and Master Yojana, Ayushman Bharat. The party introduced the many schemes like Dr. Hussain for the women. This is yours. No, like the party introduced many things.
Okay, time up, हाँ जी. Start with your introduction first.
So good evening everyone. My name is Sakib and I am the leader of this party. That's your party, bro. So I would like to say that why you have not done a single press conference till now. Your tenure is about to complete 12 years, sorry. Your tenure is about to complete 12 years and you have literally surpassed Nehru ji recently. So why you have not done even a single press conference?
We have not got like official conference, but we done the Mann Ki Baat, where the citizens came and
you did your only
Mann Ki Baat should be done with the family. Mann Ki Baat is supposed to be done with the family and you are supposed to...
I am the Prime Minister of the country and the country is my family. I consider it as my family. That's why I am the guardian of that.
Mann Ki Baat is completely scripted and it is pre-planned and
Do you have any data that can prove that it is scripted?
It is
Why?
definitely
How we can prove that it
Because I can
is
see the Prime
scripted?
Minister is reading from the screen behind the camera. I can literally sense that the Prime Minister is always looking up on the behind the screen. You are supposed to face the unscripted question. And recently, when Prime Minister went to a foreign country, a random lady asked him why he do not face any random questions. So that lady's Twitter account and Insta account was banned in India.
That's not fear. That's not fear.
fear. You
From
can
your
check
phone,
random
you
questions.
use Instagram and Facebook and Twitter also.
Twitter.
Don't listen to him, it's your time.
That lady's Twitter account was banned because you were afraid that that lady will expose your party, that your party is not doing something that should be done.
Freedom come with the responsibility. If you are not use it in a proper way, then the count should be and will be
That's the
valid.
beauty of sentence you are saying. You are supposed to face the
Freedom of speech doesn't mean that you can ask any questions to the person, because me as a person also,
As the Prime Minister of the country, you are supposed to face the position because you are the Prime Minister of the country. And when you came, the petrol price was just 60 and currently, and you said before the election in 2014, you said you will definitely reduce the price, and you was boasting that the prices are so high. But now the price is
because of the global crisis, it's not because of the anything, it's a global crisis.
Time